Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm tapping extrusions for the FK1 project.
But it's Mailbag Monday.
All right.
You've got mail. You've got mail.
All right, everybody. So it's time for another episode of Mailbag Monday, a segment that we love because we get stuff and we get to see all the cool stuff that you guys print. So if it's your first time here or if you've been here for a while and you haven't yet done it, please take an opportunity and hit that subscribe button down below. Ring the bell for notifications so you know when we have new videos coming out. And as always, we would love a thumbs up. So, all right, we have two packages today. One is from the 3D Printing Llama, which is Thom. Why did you flip it like that?
Because.
Those are Post-it notes. They're stuck on there.
What?
Did you flip it because of the Post-it notes?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're stuck there, so.
Yeah, but still, like, it kind of was coming off a little, so.
Don't want to be divulging people's information.
Yeah, I don't want them to get robbed.
There's a knife there for you. Yeah.
No!
Gonna have to time lapse this.
It's fine.
Now, I have no idea. I had no idea that this was even coming.
Since it's small, I'm going to read it. Here,
Well, first of all, show everybody the size of the text on here. All right, you can read it.
Here, can you see this now?
No, you have to start from the top.
Hey, Glenn and Xander. That's us. Oh, wait, Glenn's almost as old as I am. I can't see.
That's right. My glasses are way over there.
Here, can you see this now?
You know, it's funny, Thom. I actually appreciate that.
Hey, Glenn and Xander printed a couple peasants
Peasants.
for the 3D kingdom. Even a purple peasant for you to roll over, Thom. Oh, God. I swear if they're like, ooh, oh.
Oh, that's neat. And of course, it's got to be a yellow one in there.
There's like a smiley face and everything.
Oh, it's
Peasants.
I don't want to squeeze this too hard, but it's
Squishy?
It's squishy. I don't know how.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how tough it would be, so I don't want to just like crush it. But now, where you failed me, Thom, was you didn't write what filament these were printed in. So now you have to leave a comment down below and let me know because I love to know. This looks like polyalchemy elixir.
The feel to this.
I know
it's really nice.
It's neat. Yeah, I want to know what these are, so you got to let me know. And that's a good yellow. I have to compare it to my yellows. All my yellow samples. It's a good yellow. I like that yellow. So please let me know what that is. You could have like printed a little hole in it, and it would have been like a squeezy, like squirter.
Hello.
That's very cool. Thank you for sending those. And please do let us know what filament that is. Let me know if I'm right on that being the elixir of polyalchemy.
Feel on this.
Yeah. Well, we'll find out what it is. All right. So Xander doesn't like to cut the envelopes open, so I like to put my hand underneath as I run the blade across.
Yeah, it's usually very helpful.
Now, I did know that this package was coming. This is from our friend Paul Cumber. He's a friend of the channel. He's pretty much becoming family to us around here as often as he sends us gifts. And
Am I not allowed to look?
no, not yet. I just had to make sure that I don't reveal Paul's address. We love the stuff that Paul sends us, and he told me that he wanted to send something for the kids' birthday. Hello, Fun King 3D. I'm doing just fine as well. I did not go over my spending for the boys. I hope that they will like it as well as I'm sending you some candy too. Oh, that's nice, Paul. Thank you. I'm glad you like the things I 3D print too. I miss your birthday as well. I'm going to get you all something for Christmas as well. Take care. God bless you, my new friend. Oh, Paul, you really don't have to do that. I mean, it's greatly appreciated, but you definitely don't have to do that. P.S. I wish the boys a happy birthday as well. I will keep you guys in my prayer to love you, friend Paul. I have not received any sticker yet. You should have, Paul. I sent a couple of them to you, but I will definitely, I will send
another one.
Another one. So that's good. Thank you, Paul.
You can open
bless you
it.
too, my brother, and we thank you for all that you do and all that you send us. Oh, look at that. He even wrapped it. That's awesome.
Wow.
All right. So that's for Zach. That's for Zach. For the boys.
That is a lot.
Bag of candy.
That is a lot.
Bag of candy for me.
Get a
Booyah.
bag of candy. Hey, I'll trade you this for your Tootsie Rolls.
Now, I could be mean and tell you that you have to wait to open that.
Oh, God.
Xander's birthday is not until the 26th of September. But because I'm sure Paul is watching this video, and Paul was nice enough to send that to you.
I'll read
You
the
can
letter.
go ahead and
I'll read the letter first.
you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to grab a sticker while you're doing that. So you, in fact, I think I have to go this way. I think they're over here.
You find out. I can never open these like correctly. Like they're supposed to like not rip. I can never open them without it ripping. Oh, wow. Paul, seriously? For a 12-year-old who is as cool as can be, you deserve the best birthday, which everyone can see. Yeah.
Oh, cash money?
Yeah.
Paul, you're far too kind.
Yes.
You're far too kind.
From your friend Paul Cumber, my God bless you on this day. Happy birthday. Thank you, Paul.
And Paul,
Thank you.
I'm going to put 2 stickers. You see, 2 stickers.
2 stickers.
And I'm going to put them in this self-addressed stamped envelope right here, right now. I'm not going to seal it up yet because I want to write you a little note in there too. I think that's only 2.
You should probably get Zach up here.
Yeah, we could do that.
You should probably get Zach up here.
Get Zach up here. All right, well, you go ahead and open that.
It's Christmas.
Hey, Zach, can you join us for a minute?
Oh, no. 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 No.
You should have been able to tell what it was based on the size of the
Yeah,
packaging.
I kind of did, but I wasn't too sure.
Come around here into the middle.
Wow.
Hey, everybody, it's Zach from Fun King 3D.
Paul.
So,
Paul.
Mr. Paul Cumber sent you a birthday present.
Yeah.
So, you want to go ahead and open that? Ooh, that's pretty cool.
It's Christmas.
That's called recycling. That's good. That's good thinking.
Wow.
Pretty cool, huh? It says what? Flies over 30 feet. So I think that's an outside toy.
Darn it.
Here, I'm gonna. There, you can take the card out. What? What? What?
I'm gonna put this in my face.
Well, read the card first.
Read the card.
Got it. And his...
It says, "This friendly monster is wearing a smile because he knows how special you are. And he's coming your way with a big birthday wish for your happiest day by far. Happy birthday. Hi, Zach. I'm Paul, your dad's friend. I wish you a late happy birthday." Because your birthday was in April.
It's more
It could
early.
be early for the next
Yeah,
one.
it could be early, but it could be late.
Oh, yeah, no, that thing makes too much noise and cha-chings and bings. And
Ta-ting, ta-ting.
so, what do you tell? Come here. What do you say to Mr. Paul?
Thank you.
Thank you,
Holy
Paul. That
crap,
was really
Paul.
kind of you. Thank you, Thom, for sending us the
The
peasants.
peasants.
Those are fun.
They're very happy peasants.
They are very joyful peasants.
They're not the
So-
dirty ones.
You guys out there are absolutely awesome. We love all of you guys. We love when you send us stuff. Paul, you really you went over the top.
Yeah.
You say you stayed in your budget, which is good, but way over the top. So, but thank you guys.
Candy.
Lots of candy. So, if you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for notifications, and the thumbs up is always appreciated. If you want to send us something, the address is down in the description. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you, Thom. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, Paul might have outdone you a little bit, but
A little. Where's the other peasant?
thank you guys.
The
It's
other
much
peasant.
appreciated. And until next time,
The
as
other-
always,
The other peasant was hiding.
print on.